Welcome to MyProjectBazaar.com. The title of the project is A Novel Convolutional Neural Network for Classifying Indian Coins by Denomination. And the abstract of the project is the Reserve Bank is the one which issues bank coins in India. Reserve Bank changes the design of bank coins from time to time. The ability to recognize the value of different forms of currency is a necessary skill in the everyday life of most human beings. In order to automate monetary transactions, it's necessary to enable computers to perform such recognition as well. Towards this end, we created a system that could correctly identify coin. The technique proposed in this process can be used to detect the currencies of many countries. For the sake of implementations, only Indian paper currencies are considered. With this system, it is easier to check currency anywhere and at any time, and techniques is implemented using the Visual Geometric Group VGG19. We tested this method on every denominations of India and the system was able to detect with 99% accuracy. A classification model is generated using all factors mentioned to increase the accuracy of the technique. The deep learning model is implemented and recognizes the coin currency. The predicted results based on in the form of metrics like accuracy, precision, recall and FN score. And the flow diagram of the project is: first we need to start the program and select the coin dataset. The coin dataset is considered as the 5 different set of classes like 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, 10 rupee coin and 20 rupee coins. And we need to view the sample data in the console working directory. After that we need to move into pre-processing technique. In data pre-processing we need to check the minimum height and minimum width and maximum height and maximum width for every classes from every coin images. And after that we need to read all the images and resize the images and convert it into array. Then we need to select the independent and dependent variable model. After selecting the independent and dependent variable, we need to split the dataset into training dataset and the testing dataset. After that we need to apply the classification technique. In classification technique we are using Visual Geometric Group, that means VGG19 algorithm. This is one of the transfer learning algorithm and which is used to train the coin image dataset and predict the result in basis of it. If the user gives the input of the coin images, it will predict the exact class of the coin and it will generate the results based on accuracy, precision, recall, FN score. The program was successfully executed in Anaconda Navigator Spider IDE, and these are all the results of the Indian coin recognition system. This is the sample visualization from the every classes of Indian coins. So in that we have 5 set of different classes like 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, 10 rupee coin and 20 rupee coins. After that we need to check the minimum height and minimum width and maximum height and maximum width for every classes from the input data. And after that we need to label the data into 0 to 4. Then we need to visualize the sample images in the console working directory. After that we have to select the independent and dependent variable model, then split the model into training dataset and testing dataset. And this is the independent variable training data and independent variable test data. So independent variable train data contains overall 2004 images and independent variable test data contains more than 502 images. And this is the dependent variable train data and dependent variable test data. Independent variable train data contains 2004 classes or labels and dependent variable test data contains 502 labels. So after that we need to implement the VGG19 algorithm. So in VGG19 algorithm summary result is, these are all the summary result of VGG19 algorithm, and VGG19 algorithm gets the total parameter is 2,26,949 and the trainable parameters is 47,22,181 and non-trainable parameter is 1,53,04,763. So it will train the images based on the trainable parameters like 4,72,000, 47,22,181. So in that I have to implement the 25 different training approaches and train the images based on the VGG19 trainable parameter, and I finally get the accuracy result is 96%. And this is the performance graph of VGG19 algorithm, and this is the classification report of VGG19 algorithm. In VGG19 algorithm, the classification report which is express the every classes of precision result and recall result and F1 score result. In this part, precision is the number of correct prediction, recall is the number of correct instances of prediction, and F1 score is to measure the test accuracy. And this is the confusion matrix diagram. The confusion matrix this is the confusion matrix diagram, and this is the confusion matrix result. The confusion matrix result which is express the number of correct prediction and number of misclassification from the every classes through the VGG19 algorithm. And finally the user going to select one images from our input data set, and then our algorithm going to predict the exact class of the particular images, and these are all the variable results.